process is going to be that you're going to have to get commercial insurance on the vehicle. You need to get a vehicle. It needs to be at least a 2009 up. It can't be 10 years or 11 years old. It has to be at least a 2009 up. So what's going to happen, after you put in the initial application, in order to finalize it and for you to get the contract with Medicaid, you're going to have to get commercial insurance. And once you get the commercial insurance, you're going to have to take that, your commercial insurance certificate, and take it to DMV and get livery plates. Now, there's a lot more information that I can give, but I'm going to give the basics. So once you do that, once you get the commercial insurance and the livery plates, and you got to send them proof of this is when they're going to finalize it and eventually give you the contract, and it goes to an examiner, Medicaid examiner, and they check to make sure that everything is good. They do a background check, and it typically, if you do everything right, it could be done in 4 months or so, or 5 months. But that's the process. Now, once you get the contract, now they're going to send you the paperwork that you received the contract, boom, boom, this and that. At that point, you get the contract. Let's say the next step is